Do 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 do. Hey, how's it going? It's Nancy Gamon. I was just getting ready to do some work on a jacket that I've been kind of casually embellishing with some hand embroidery. I tucked the arm of the jacket inside just to make it a little easier to show you what I've been working on. I've just been putting the jacket fabric inside of a round embroidery hoop and moving the hoop around the jacket, stitching as I go. And the hoop is acting as a template to create this series of overlapping circles. I started this project because I was looking for an easy, relaxing, portable project that I could take in the car. And I decided to make just a really fun, colorful, heavily embroidered jacket in kind of a free-form way. Since I wanted it to be really relaxing, I set some limits to the design process so that I wouldn't have a bunch of decisions to make as I went along. So one thing that I limited was the kind of stitching that I was going to do. So I really just chose one stitch, a short dash that's about 1/4 inch long, and I stack the dashes or put them end to end to make a dotted line, or connect them to make a solid line, or cross them to make an X. And that's it. Those are the only stitches that I'm doing on the jacket. I also created a limit in the thread length when I chose the colors. So I cut pretty much the same length of thread for each color, and that made that decision making easy. When the thread ran out, I was done with that color and switched to another one. So because there's no real way to do the jacket wrong, I didn't draw out anything or make any advanced planning, so I'm really free to just meander with my stitching and respond to whatever it was that I laid down before and move around the jacket in a really free-form, relaxing way. And it's kind of meditative because it's so simple and has these preset limits. I find it very relaxing and can kind of let my mind wander and just let my hands do the work that they're going to do. I don't really have a set idea for when the jacket will be done. I thought I would just go until I, got tired of it, maybe set it aside for a year or two, who knows, pick it up later, do something else. So I don't have a lot of expectations for it going in. I'm just enjoying the process and seeing how it all shakes out. If you'd like to sew together, check out my website at nancygamon.com. You can see what kind of workshops are on the calendar. I hope we get together soon. Do 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 do.